Hey, you want the thing for your waist here?
Not yet.
Okay.
You know, oh man. Hey, I'm under an umbrella. It's like 100 degrees. I'm having fun.
I think he's hooked, Rich.
Yeah.
Si puedes mañana temprano otro ratito, no hay problema, no hay cosa tuya.
I want him to jump a couple more times, Rich.
Oh yeah. This thing. Oh, there he is.
Whoa, man, is that cool? Is that cool? Woohoo! Man, let's get out there.
Okay.
Man, I mean, he just got a steady pull on that
sorry.
thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't die.
Did you see that thing jump? Did you get it?
I got it. Part of it.
Is that purple, man? Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that is, man. Man, awesome.
Beautiful.
I knew that. I'm just telling you, man. That live bait stuff, man. They're in there. They're gonna eat that.
And that's a new hook, sharp hook.
Wow, man, Timmy.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Whatever you want, okay? Take it easy.
You want to bring the thing in?
Enjoy.
I want to get him up in the air again.
I know, man. I mean, I can't even bring this thing in. He's just sitting out there.
Primo. ¿Querés un par de sardinas?
Hey, you ain't kidding, man. Everything you said was right. These things are like crazy.
Si querés un par de sardinas vivas. Okay.
They're going to come up for a spin, and they whoop up in the air again.
You always want to keep pressure on
The
him.
best that you do that.
And then,
they'll cool
okay,
down.
so you can't take the pressure off.
Yeah. Whatever you can. Just like that. It's make more easy. When it can. If not, don't worry.
Yeah. I mean, he's just kind of like sitting there.
Yeah.
When I let off a little bit, he goes right back
Let
down.
me take this off because it's better for you. Yeah, yeah, the best is you more like here and get put down.
Yeah.
Okay?
I can do that.
That's the one. Little by little. Watch the line. The ball when it's close. I help you when it's close, okay?
You got the whole front of the boat, Rich.
Huh?
You got the whole front of the boat.
Man, that thing is like killing me.
Primo, echale agua al tarro. Okay.
Nice, congratulations.
Yeah.
It's not in the boat yet, but
Okay, gracias. Put some more water.
Sí, ok. Ya le echo más agua. Gracias, primo.
Por allá.
that thing's bowing.
God, man.
Woohoo!
I'm just like dripping here. Awesome. He's trying to move.
It's not ready.
I want to get over here so I can, if he jumps, I want to get a picture of that thing, Rich. I want to get a picture of him jumping.
You can see right here.
Okay. That'll be the videos.
Yeah.
It's the video sleep.
Uh-oh,
Hey,
here
Rich.
it goes.
They got a timer on this thing.
Come in.
18 minutes ready.
18 minutes. Tarpon is tough. Strong fish.
I want to get a good shot of him coming out of the water, Rich. Put on the cover of your magazine next time. Land the big client or something over, you know?
Yeah.
Man, that is nice.
That's crazy. Man, if you got 10 or 15 of these a day, you would be tired.
Yeah, dead.
Work. Well, here we go. He's gonna be coming. Coming out.
Very close.
You know. It's right there. Oh, beautiful! Man, is that nice?
Yeah, that is a big fish. Oh,
Man. Oh man. Like a big giant. Thing had his mouth open and as he was mad, I'm thinking,
You film
I got that.
You have chat in your pen?
Pardon me?
You have chat in your pen?
No. No,
okay?
I'm okay. That's a nice fish, Rich. Wow.
Put the tape down when you go down. Good. Very good, Rich. All right. Okay, now pull it up. Now it's out. Now it's out. Up. Try to reel a little bit.
I'm trying, dude. Man, this guy like.
Man, it's like a giant log, Rich.
That's a submarine.
Yeah, I can see that little pole you have.
You pull it up. Reel a little bit. It's supposed to work. Good. Okay, so
There he is. Oh wow, nice fish. Oh yeah, check it out.
whoa! Take a line.
He's not quite ready yet. Almost.
That's 130 pounds easy. It's big. It's fat too.
Yeah, he is. That's a fat. That is one fat fish.
You got it?
Yeah.
When as soon as out, you try to up.
Man, I'm.
You take a line now.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Little by little.
About 25 minutes, Rich.
Yeah. I would say.
There he is. Oh man. Oh, look at that thing. Man, is he a monster.
Loose the pole. Right here. Left, right here.
Okay.
Like that. I got it, man.
Woohoo! Man, look at that thing.
I got it, man.
Rich, you need to get a picture, I
What do
think.
we do?
Look at the pole right here. Let's twist on the tip. Clean it. Okay. Leave it over there. I help you.
What am I gonna do?
I want to try to, and they're filming, okay?
Okay, ready?
All right.
Oh my God!
Yeah, pick up, put it on the side a little bit.
Wow. You got it?
Oh yeah, it's huge. Okay. Hey, Rich. All right, Rich. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy.
Oh my God! Look at that thing.
All
That
right.
thing is like, man, prehistoric. Look at the size of that fish.
Babe, you hold this for me? Right?
Hey, save that live bait.
That live bait, I'm telling
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
man.
That's the way to go.
I need to grab
Okay.
Hold it there.
Yeah, I got it. Man, look at the mouth on that thing.
I never got one in the boat. It's too hard to get in the boat.
Well, I think I couldn't pick it up any further.
No, the boat. I'm not putting in the boat.